Hi everyone. Glad to welcome you back to my channel. Today, we will make a simple and unusual wall decor. For this project, we need wooden sticks and a large sheet of paper. Let's go. We find a graphic image of an animal on the internet. Choose the one we like and transfer the image to paper. Then we take the sticks and cut them according to the sketched. I did it with an electric saw, but you can do it with wire cutters. This is a very meditative activity. While you enjoy watching this, I suggest you subscribe to me, so you will support me very much. Then we glue the parts together with a hot glue gun. From my experience, I realized that it is better to use a different kind of glue. Then I sanded the glue residue with sandpaper. Then I paint everything with black acrylic paint. Of course, it is more convenient to do it with a can, but I did not have it at hand. Enjoy the result. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Love you.